like, Poppy, I adore you. I'm like, baby, I ain't normal.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Fishy Aaron, and we back with another video, guys. Before we get into this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn the bell so you can get my notifications, and of course, like and comment, share on this video. And you already know we have to do our shout. So the person that I'm shouting out today is Kaya on Instagram. So you know I'm gonna spell it right here. That's spelled KIIA __. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and follow her on Instagram, y'all. She's almost to 2,000, so get her to 2,000 followers. Love you, boo. Okay, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, so this is my door. It's not pretty. Now, this right here, this was from a party. So my peoples had a party and everybody was going crazy and stuff like that, and they had punched my door. So yeah, so that's where this came from. And BTW, this video was highly requested, so please like and subscribe. So now we're gonna open my room. So right here, this is my TV. So it comes out or whatever, nothing fancy, whatever. And then this is like my YouTube setup. So this is just a light. This is a little lamp. This is my MacBook, my mouse, my tripod, my monopod. It comes all the way out. So when I do like videos, my trail mix, I gotta have trail mix. And this right here is officially glossy. Look at me, y'all. Coming soon, I pinky promise. So this is officially glossy stuff. So like I have like samples of lip glosses, my tubes, my colors, so how I make my lip gloss. Also some more products. Also in here like some more stuff like gloves, you know, sanitizing stuff. So this is this area. Now we're just gonna come over here. Over here is my ring light. So it's a part of my YouTube equipment. I probably look dark right now. Yeah, so do I still look dark? Okay, but anyway, so this is my YouTube equipment. So I have a little rug right here. I have a little long rug right here. It's pretty. Oh my gosh. And this is my closet. So we come over here. This is my closet. So guys, my closet does not look that full because I had to package up clothes in the bags. I had to put half of the clothes in the bags because I had to fit my shoes all the way at the top, because y'all gonna see why. But then I have my jeans up there. I have like my purses in here, some of my purses. I have like my laundry stuff, so ironing and stuff. All my shoes, my suitcase. This is my dirty basket. I got some clothes on top of there. Some clothes or whatever. And I have a curtain because my door broke. Also just a little chair right here that I just have in my room, and my calendar or whatever. I have to decorate more often, so drop some ideas down or places that I could shop. And this is my bed. Like this is my bed. I got this bed my mom's friend, she was selling this because she had bought it because she was moving, but she didn't realize that she had bought a whole nother furniture, which I don't understand, but whatever. So she just let us get this one. And then if we come over here, behind the door, I have like some sandals and stuff, some more purses. I have my dresser, so my lamps, my hygiene stuff. I have like some makeup stuff. I got my drawers and stuff. All my hair stuff is in here. And I'm not gonna let y'all see this yet because I'm gonna have a hair collection video coming very soon. So yeah. And this is just a little stool that's half broken.
This is Phase Ed Music.
And over here is Lola. So basically this is what I wanted to tell y'all, that I had like my basket over here, so but I had to make room in my closet for her. So this is Lola. You can see she's sleeping, so we're not gonna wake her. And her stuff is over here, but stay tuned for Lola's makeover. Cage makeover, because we got so much cute stuff. And then I have my mirror, and this is my closet. I said closet. This is my window. Above on my dresser, so you see my mirror. So above my dresser, I have Faith. Cause you know, I just like that one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, you guys wanted this room tour, but that's it. I don't have a big crazy room, like a big gorgeous room. It's just pretty much go ahead, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Comment some more video ideas down below because I do be listening. Comment questions because we're doing a Q&A. Show love to the last recent videos. Show love, for real, for real. If y'all want that natural hair rubber band hairstyle video, y'all have to show love to the recent videos. So get those videos to 1,000 views. The videos that's not at 1,000, because I know we could do it because it's 10,000 of y'all. So please get my videos to 1,000 views, the videos that's not at 1,000 already. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Bye.